On this holy day, that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, that great saint, got a son. And he was Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, whose birthday or appearance day we are celebrating today. And right from childhood, he started showing exceptional signs of empowerment. Like, for example, in the Vaishnava understanding, we know that when the sacred thread is wrapped around the neck, that's the sign of being a Brahmin, or somebody who is pure and spotless in character and very intelligent and bright. And when he appeared, the umbilical cord was wrapped around his neck, as if to show, oh, he is the person who's going to be the future Brahmin. He is the person who's going to be the light, and he is the ray of Vishnu. Just to prove it further, when he was about 6 months old, the famous Rath Yatra procession of Jagannath, that was passing by the house of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, because Bhaktivinoda Thakur was the district magistrate, and he was also in control of the Jagannath temple. So the main procession, the cart festival of Jagannath, was proceeding opposite the house of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur came out to look at the Lord, take darshan. And he came out with his 6-month-old child. And this child was named Bimal Prasad, because Bimala means the goddess Yogamaya in Jagannath Puri. And Prasad means mercy. So in simple terms, Bimal Prasad meant he who's the mercy of the Lord. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur with this young Bimal Prasad came out. He said, let's go and see the Lord. Okay, let's go. He came out. And seeing this child, the cart stopped. That cart of Jagannath, which is so celebrated and so famous, and nothing can stop Jagannath. And if he wants to stop, nothing can pull him. There have been instances where the Lord, Jagannath, has decided, I'm not going to move. And they have called in elephants to pull and push the cart from either side. And the cart hasn't moved an inch. And on other times, they have kept elephants to stop the cart, and the cart still continues to move. So it all depends on the will of Jagannath. So seeing the young Bimal Prasad, Jagannath just stopped. And the cart just stopped. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, now is a good time. Let's go and see the Lord from a close distance. And he took the child, climbed onto the cart, and kept at the lotus feet of the Lord. And this child, he went to embrace Jagannath. He said, my Lord, I'm so happy to be here. He went to embrace the Lord. And in reciprocation, Lord Jagannath dropped one of his sacred garlands onto the child, as a sign in front of everybody to show that he is the ray of Vishnu that I personally have sent down. And this child